If you want to get the most out of leg raises, here are a couple of tips you're going to want to try. The first tip I have is using a supinated grip, since this will make it easier to keep an upright body and makes it harder to tilt backwards. Secondly, if you brace your back against something while doing hanging leg raises or knee raises, for example against your power rack or pull-up bar, you will instantly feel your abs more, since your body can't make small cheats, unlike when you aren't locked in. And thirdly, bring your legs up to at least 90 degrees, or even better, up to the bar. And fourthly, your legs should not come behind your body, otherwise you will begin to start swinging. Last but not least, use a nice and controlled tempo. This will also cut out any swinging.